Right, let's look at some basic settings within our customization. And for example, just in Hestia, the small Hestia, you've got this button for documentation. It's pretty good. It'll take you to the theme documentation and explain how things work. You can add, for example, additional CSS if you're a coder or if you get some information from that documentation. If you want to, for example, take away this darkish layer it puts, overlay it puts over the picture, things like that. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Um, let's look at site identity here. That's the basic settings of what you see right on your top section here, and my diet tips is the one displaying over there, right? And let's look at something like appearance settings where we were a bit earlier, where let's do a background image. Let's add a background image here, for example. You can click on that and let's put that in the background. I quite like that. It's going to tile it in there and go back. Right, so if we look at our front page sections, again, you can decide what you want to see on your front page. We don't use these because it's a blog. Let's look at our blog settings for basic settings. You can decide to show your categories in a sense. You can decide how much do you want to show as an expert there. So you can show content or just a little bit of it. So we just do 40 characters. And you can also decide to have an infinite scroll, for example. I like that. And then all your posts just shows underneath each other. All right, so I'm just going to publish that. If I publish it, it saves everything we've made and changes. Right, so that's your basic settings within your WordPress customization section. If I go back and I refresh, you now see I've got a background of those nice lemons.